We're learning all about white trout today.
When you take the white trout, white trout, but a nice white trout. I mean, he's a really nice white trout, buddy. Oh yeah. The white are going to right here, man. Look, he's swallowing that. Look, he's swallowing that one.
All right, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We launched out of Hopedale. I'm out here with two legends, Mr. Reed Guidry and the other legend, Mr. Eric Laborde. Cruise on out here to the bay near the Gulf of Mexico. Slamming some trout, specks and white trout under the birds. Finding some keepers.
Oh, that's careful. That's a nice white trout there, huh?
You got 5 specks.
Huh?
You got 5 or 6 specks.
Oh, yeah, you got these spots. You can fight every cat. Whitey?
White trout.
Oh, yeah. Right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll take that one all day long. I'll take that one. Looks like a 13 inch of the medium. Oh, yeah, man. Anti-rider here.
Mr. Reed's using a white shrimp. Eric's using what looks like limbo slice. And I'm using looking kind of mushy though. He might have got too wet. But the idea was to try and freeze these things or keep them cold, and they come back to life like a crab would, supposedly. I'm watching YouTube videos. I'm gonna see if I can do it. All right, after about 2 minutes in the water, it looks like he's coming back to life. Might got too wet. Alright, my 2 live shrimp, 1 little white trout, 1 12-inch speck. So I'm going back to the plastic.
That's a nice one. Go there. No. No. They're getting bigger, they're getting smaller.
Nice.
That's all good. Oh, no, you'll be there.
Got a keep?
Maybe 12.5.
Yeah, maybe that's you. I think we ought to be at
Real pretty fish. 12 1/4 inches. Eric's on one. Yep. Keeper.
I'll skin them, I'll fillet them, I'll skin them, and I dry them. I'll pat them dry. In other words, I take this fillet, and I'll take a paper towel, and I dry them as much as I can, and I'll put them in a vacuum seal, where there's no moisture, no air. And they'll last 4 or 5 months. And they'll look
incredible.
fresh like you took them out of the water.
That's awesome. I'm gonna
Now,
try
you
it.
can't do that if they got moisture in them. I find the meat gets mealy once you thaw it.
Right.
But
I think that's everybody's problem with white trout is they don't like to keep them because they get mush.
Well, they get mush because they're wet. They
Yeah.
want to take the whole fish, the fillet, dry it before you put it into the vacuum seal them where there's no air.
Nice.
And try it. It's easy.
Love it. Oh, Eric's on at the new spot. A little something. I don't think it's a monster, but we're picking up one here and one there. There you go. It looks like a 12-incher. We're gonna have to throw it back. Good. We stopped in the main canal to fish these pilings. Oh, damn. All right, we're back at the house.
16 Specks?
We got a mess of fish. 16 keeper
Yeah,
trouts.
16 keeper trout.
1 man limit. We got a bunch of white trouts. Not too shabby. We're learning all about white trout today.
When you take the white trout,
Uh-huh. Yep.
he's soft.
Yeah.
He's firm.
Right.
When you take him and you soak him in the water, the trout will firm up.
Yeah.
You'll get kind of like
So the white trout will get even firmer overnight in the cold water, but then once you fillet him, pat him dry if you're gonna freeze him, and make sure no water is on him to freeze him.
Exactly.
Okay.
because you see what happened to you. They're more tender, softer meat.
Yeah.
I'm telling you right now. Go put some whites in here.
I'm gonna throw the whole thing in the fridge.
Make sure that the white trout are in an ice bath.
Yeah.
Go home, take them, put them in the refrigerator in ice.
Yeah.
A little bit of water, a little bit, just fine. You want them in water with ice to chill it because you want it back there.
That's gonna firm that meat
You
up.
don't want them frozen.
And that'll make it easier to fillet them,
Yes.
and it'll taste better.
Yes.
Nice. They'll be crispy when
Speckled trout, not the same. You don't, not necessary.
Sure.
Because if you don't get them nice and firm, you won't be able to clean that fish.
Yeah. I think
So
that's our whole video.
Generally, like right now, I'm probably gonna I might let them sit for till dark,
Uh huh.
and then